Hey Kaz, what are you looking at?
Hey, I'm looking at Bridal Veil Falls.
Wow, that's awesome. Oh, what's this? Oh, holy fucking shit, a 55-metre long waterfall. Wait a minute. I reckon that's 54 metres. Lying bastards. Should we go down and see it from the base? It's like Niagara, but smaller.
Wait, just mind to say, I thought you were taking a photo at the start, which is nice to know.
Okay. And
I'm here as well, your host Craig Perry. Dreadlock is short now. That didn't work. Okay, it's a bit windy.
it's pretty cool.
Day something or other on the road trip to, well, wherever we want to go in New Zealand. North. We're in the Northlands, everybody. What do you think?
It's really nice.
It's like fucking. That's being back at home. It's fucking raining. Oh well, never mind. We're just gonna park up, have a nice night.
Sort out the back of the van.
Yeah, sit on the back of the van, chill out. Apparently there's a massive stalactite here that we might go see. The main aim is to get right up to the tip of the North Island, just because that's the sort of thing you do when you're a traveller, you just go to the ends of the places. So that's what we're going to do. But for now, we're going to sit and watch some videos in the rain. Till next time, tally-ho! We're currently like caged animals. It's still the same day. We're still in the Northland. We're photobombing me then. We'll show you the views once the weather stops. If it stops. Yeah. Hot, steamy, bored. Oh well! Haha! Morning. Day 75. We've been stuck in the van all night, pissing down with rain. We're still up in the Northlands. So we're going to have an al fresco shower, which should be in a minute, and then I'm going to go check the beach out. So we're going to make a couple of fucking videos of that. But a lovely night to sleep. It's the night. So this is what we mean by al fresco showers. Freezing cold water. Fuck me, that's cold. My dick's gone like an acorn, but at least I'm clean. Now to the beach. So I'm just walking off down the beach. Go check it out. Just realised something. This one's nice coloured sand for once. Well, that's beautiful. Couple of islands out to sea. And I got the whole stretch to myself.